So the Secure Software Factory is actually a functional model that we built in support of DevOps or DevSecOps environments. So what we're looking at was how do we simplify, how do we provide a method by which our partners and our end users could actually understand that DevOps, that agile methodology, and ultimately build them a tool chain to enable that sort of cultural shift that takes place within a development environment. So to that effect, we actually, the outcome really is a collection of vendors that we've actually married up together where they're all best of breed within their different functional areas. And we brought them together in order to build out this world-class DevSecOps toolchain.